Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stoke. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this used 2022 edition Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium that is complemented in the desired silver paintwork, complete with your petrol hybrid engine, making it an ideal eco-friendly upgrade alongside your efficient automatic transmission for a smooth ride overall. It does come complete with plenty of advanced features to help you out on the open road, including your LED headlights, stylish 17-inch alloys, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres. Moving into the boot area, you will find enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures maximum comfort with access to your pull-down armrest. And stepping into the front, you will find your leather multifunctional steering wheel for further style and convenience, with access to your central touch display for seamless navigation, and of course the comfort of a cloth trim. The steering wheel does offer an array of audio controls, including your speed limiter and cruise control features to help you out on those motorway trips, with your options to navigate around your cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, audio, and even your drive mode selection with your sport for more performance base. And moving across, you do have similar access again to your variation of radio stations and a Bluetooth connection to make hands-free calls or listen to your own preferred audio. Of course, you do have all of your general settings alongside the activation of your reversing camera, easily guiding you into those tricky parking manoeuvres, and does ensure the protection of the vehicle. This is followed in the centre by your dual climate control options, start-stop engine button, and of course your electronic handbrake and drive mode selection. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.